this class we are going to discuss the topic 3D geometry. So either from vectors or from 3D geometry, or sometimes from both the topics there will be one question be there. Okay, 3D geometry ಇಂದ ಓದಿರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾ ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Okay, so now we will discuss the questions one by one. So in those questions only we will discuss the hints also. Okay, the first question is, find the image of a point 2, 1, 6 in the plane containing the points 2, 1, 3, 6, 3, 3, 5, 2, 2. So first, so these 3 points are non-collinear points. So those 3 points are non-collinear points. So first we have to find the equation of the plane passing through these 3 non-collinear points. We know the formula for equation of a plane passes through 3 non-collinear points, that is determinant of x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, and x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, and z3 minus z1. So here consider this one as x1, y1, z1, this as x2, y2, z2, and this as x3, y3, and z3. Now equation of a plane is is equal to determinant of x minus x1, x1 is 2, y minus y1, y1 is 1, z minus z1, z1 is 5, sorry, z1 is 3, z minus z1. Next, x2 minus x1, that is 6 minus 2, 4, y2 minus y1, 3 minus 1, 2, z2 minus z1, 3 minus 3, 0. Next, x3 minus x1, 5 minus 2, 3, 2 minus 1, 1, 2 minus 3, minus 1. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Now, so this is equal to, expand this, x minus 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Okay, minus 0, anything into 0 is 0. 1 second. 4, 2, 3, 1, minus 1. 2, 1, 0. Something went wrong, wait. Here the points are, that is 2, 1, this is 0, not 3, this is 0. Okay, let us take that as 0. Then z minus 0, this is becomes z minus 0. Okay, and then x2 minus x1 4, 6 minus 2 4, 3 minus 1 2, 3 minus 0 is 3. Okay, next 5 minus 2 3, 2 minus 1 1, 2 minus 0 is 2. Okay, 4 2 3, 3 1 2. So this is not 3. Later, so this one is, this point is 2 1 0. This point is 2 1 0. Now equation of the plane is x minus 2 into 2 2s are 4, minus 3 1s are 3, 4 minus 3 is 1, minus of y minus 1 into 4 2s are 8, minus 3 3s are 9, 8 minus 9 is minus 1. Okay, plus z into 4 1s are 4, minus 3 2s are 6, that is minus 2. So this is implies that is equal to, so this is equal to 0. So this is equal to 0. This is implies that x minus 2 minus into minus plus y minus 1 minus 2z is equal to 0. So this is implies that x minus y, then equation of the plane is x plus y minus 2z, x plus y minus 2z, minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. If we transfer that to right hand side, it becomes plus 3. Then this is the equation of the plane. So now we have to find image of this point 216, image of that point 216 with respect to this plane. So with respect to this plane, we have to find the image of that point 216. So just remember the formula, remember this formula, image of a point, image, important formula of a point with respect to x1 y1 z1, x1 y1 z1 with respect to the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0 is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0 is the formula is x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c is equal to minus 2 into a into x1 plus b into y1 plus c into z1 plus d whole divided by a square plus b square plus c square. This is important formula, very important formula. The formula is, so image of the point x1 y1 z1 with respect to the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d is x comma y comma z, where x comma y comma z we can calculate x comma y comma z by using this formula. So that is x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c is equal to minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d divided by a square plus b square plus c square. So therefore here we can consider this one as x1 y1 z1, x1 y1 z1. Already we know the value of equation of the plane. Equation of the plane is ax plus by plus cz is equal to so that is x plus y minus 2z is equal to 3, or this can be written as x plus y minus 2z minus 3 is equal to 0, where the value of a is 1, b is 1, c is minus 2 and d is minus 3. Okay, now x minus x1 is nothing but, what is the value of x1? X1 is 2 divided by a is 1 is equal to y minus y1 is 1 divided by b is 1 is equal to z minus z1 is 6 divided by c is minus 2 is equal to minus 2 into a into x1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ a is 1, x1 is 2, 1 into 2 is 2, next plus b into y1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ b is 1, y1 ಇದು b is 1 and also y1 is 1, 1 into 1 1, next plus c into c is 6 into z1 is minus 2, that is minus 2 into 6 is minus 12. Okay, next what is the value of d here? Minus 3 divided by, so 2 square is 4 plus 1 square is 1 plus 4, a square plus b square plus a square is a is 1, b is 1, c is minus 2, a square is 1, b square is 1, c square is 4. So then x minus 2 by 1 is equal to y minus 1 by 1 is equal to z minus 6 by minus 2 is equal to, simplify ಮಾಡಿ. So minus 2 minus 13 plus 3 minus 3 cancel, minus into minus plus 24 divided by 4 plus 1 plus 1, 5 plus 1 6, 6 1s 6, 4s 24, therefore this is equal to 4. Then x minus 2 by 1 is equal to 4 comma y minus 1 by 1 is equal to 4 comma z minus 6 divided by z minus 6 divided by minus 2 is equal to 4. So this is implies that x minus 2 is equal to 4, y minus 1 is equal to 4, z minus 6 is equal to minus 8, or this is implies that x is equal to 4 minus 3 transfer ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ plus 6, y is equal to minus 3 right hand side transfer ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it will become plus 1, 4 plus 1 is 5 comma z minus 6 ಇದೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ plus 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, minus 8 plus 6 is minus 2, therefore z is equal to minus 2. Therefore x comma y comma z, image of that point x1 y1 z1 is x comma y comma z, this is equal to order triplets 6 comma 5 comma minus 2. So this is in option A, therefore option A is the right answer. So this formula is very important formula nodri. So most of the problems image ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ, so this image formula is important, that is image of a point x1 y1 z1 with respect to the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0 is x comma y comma z, where this x comma y comma z can be calculated by using the formula x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c is equal to minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d divided by a square, so whole divided by a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, next problem. What next problem? So this is if q of 5 by 3 comma 7 by 3 comma 17 by 3 is the foot of the perpendicular. So this is the foot of the perpendicular. drawn from a point P of 1 comma 0 comma 3 and the line L passing through minus alpha comma 7 comma 1, then the value of alpha is how much they are asking. Just here, this is the point Q, this is the point Q. So the order triplets of point Q are 5 by 3 comma 7 by 3 comma 17 by 3. Okay, so these are the order triplets. So this point is this is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point. Okay, sorry, just wait. I write here. This is the Q of 5 by 3 comma 7 by 3 comma 17 by 3. So then Q is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point P of 1 comma 0 comma 3. So and also line L passing through the point. So this is the line L, this is the line L. Okay, this line is passing through the point. ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ? ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಕಾಮ 7 ಕಾಮ 1 ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಕಾಮ 7 ಕಾಮ 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. Then or to find the value of alpha. Now our aim is to find the value of alpha. So here, so this PQ which is perpendicular to line L, PQ is perpendicular to line L. So if this line is perpendicular to this line, then what is the formula we have? So we know that then the sum of product of their direction ratios, of those two lines is equal to 0. So first, direction ratios of line L. So that is alpha minus 5 by 3 comma 7 minus 7 by 3 comma next 1 minus 17 by 3. So these are the direction ratios of line L. Next, so that is equal to line L are again alpha minus 5 by 3 comma 3 7s are 21 minus 7 is 14 by 3 comma 3 1s are 3 minus 17 is minus 14, 3 minus 17 is minus 14 by 3. Okay, so these are the direction ratios of line L. So next, direction ratios of the line PQR, direction ratios of the line PQR. So that is 1 minus 5 by 3 comma 0 minus 7 by 3 comma 3 minus 17 by 3. So direction ratios of the line PQR. So 1 minus 5 by 3. So that is nothing but 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Minus 2 by 3. This is minus 2 by 3 comma this is minus 7 by 3 comma 3 3 is a 9. 9 minus 17. 9 minus 17 is 9 minus 17 minus 8 by 3. Minus 8 by 3. So now these two lines are PQ is, so given that PQ is perpendicular to L, if two lines are perpendicular, so has been on the formula, that is sum of product of their direction ratios equal to 0. So that means sum of the product of the corresponding direction ratios equal to 0. So this is implies that line L which is perpendicular to PQ, so that is implies that alpha minus 5 by 3. So this is alpha minus 5 by 3 into minus 2 by 3, okay, plus 14 by 3 into minus 7 by 3 plus minus 8 by 3 into minus 14 by 3, minus 14 divided by 3, okay, so is equal to 0. So this is implies that, say 9 is LCM, alage enagutte 3 minus 2 into 3 alpha minus 5, minus 2 into 3 alpha minus 5, 3 into alpha, 3 alpha, okay, 3 alpha minus 5, plus into plus into minus 14, okay, so write like this only, this is minus 7 into 14 divided by 9 is minus into minus plus into, okay, this is plus 8 into 14 divided by 9 is equal to 0, or this is implies that 9 cancels, then minus 2 into 3 alpha minus 5 is equal to, just transfer this to right hand side, it will become plus 7 into 14 minus 8 into 14, minus becomes plus, already 9 cancel agide. So then this is implies that minus 2 into 3 alpha minus 5 is equal to, take down 14 as common, remaining is 7 minus 8, okay, 2 1s are 2 7s are, so then this is implies that minus of 3 alpha minus 5 is equal to minus 7, okay, minus cancels, so this is implies that 3 alpha is equal to, just transfer minus 5 to right hand side, it becomes plus 5, so that is 7 plus 5, so then alpha is equal to 7 plus 5 is 12 divided by 3, that is equal to 4. Therefore, the value of alpha is 4. Simple. So first, so given that this PQ is perpendicular to the line, what is the given data? So if two lines are perpendicular, then the sum of product of their corresponding direction ratios are equal to 0. So then simplification only. So after simplification, finally we are getting alpha is equal to 4. Therefore, the value of alpha is 4 here. Okay, is it clear? Next problem. The problem is the shortest distance between the lines x minus 3 by 1 is equal to y minus 8 by 4 is equal to z minus 3 divided by 22 comma x plus 3 by 1 is equal to y plus 7 by 1 is equal to z minus 6 by 7 is. So as we know the formula, shortest distance between two lines is given by shortest distance is equal to modulus of a2 minus a1 into p cross q dot product of p cross q divided by magnitude of p cross q. So this is the formula. Okay, the formula is a2 minus a1 into p cross q divided by magnitude of p cross dot a2 minus a1 dot product of p cross q divided by magnitude of p cross q. So here a2 is so that is a2, so that is minus 3i plus minus 3i, or consider this as a2, so consider this one as a2. So points, so this line passes through the point 3 comma 8 comma 3, and this line passes through the point minus 3 comma minus 7 comma plus 6. Okay, so then a2 vector a2 is equal to enagutte, so that is 3i plus 8j plus 3k cap, and a1 is minus 3i minus 7j plus 6k. Then a2 minus a1 is equal to 3 minus into minus plus agutte, so that is 6i, 8 minus into minus plus agutte, 8 plus that is 15, 8 plus 7 is 15, 15j next, so 3 minus 6 is minus 3 k cap. This is a2 minus a1. Next, vector p is so they consider this one as vector p, that is I cap plus 4j cap plus 22k cap, and vector q as I cap plus j cap plus 7k cap. Now find p cross q. P cross q is equal to determinant of I j k 1 4 22 1 1 7, so that is equal to I into 4 7s are 28 minus 22 ones are 22 minus j into 7 ones are 7 minus 22 ones are 22 plus k into 1 ones are 1 minus 4 ones are 4, so that is equal to 22 minus 28 minus 22 is 6i minus so 7 minus 22 is 15 minus into minus plus 15j. Okay, next 1 minus 3 is minus 3, 1 minus 4 is minus 3, minus 3k cap. Now p cross q is 6i plus 15j minus 3k cap. Then its magnitude of P cross Q is square root of 6 6 36 plus 225 plus 3 3 is 9. Now shortest distance is equal to so a2 minus a1 is 6i plus 15j minus 3k cap, and then P cross dot product of P cross Q is nothing but 6i plus 15j minus 3k cap whole divided by, so magnitude of that one is square root of 36 plus 225 plus 9. Okay, so now this is equal to 6 6 so dot product means, so we have to find the sum of product of corresponding coefficients of ijk. So that is 6 6 36 plus 15 is 225 plus 9 minus into minus plus 3 3 is 9. So divided by square root of 36 plus 225 plus 9. So that is equal to 36 plus 5, 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 6 is 0, 20, 0. So then 2, 5, 7. So that is 27 divided by square root of 270. So this can be written as square root of 270. Square root of a divided by square root of a can be written as root a. So now square root of 270 can be written as square root of 270 can be written as so that can be written as 9 3 is 270 hoda, 9 30 is 270, square root of 9 into 30. So we know that the square root of 9 is 3. So therefore this can be written as 3 into root 30. So this is the option A is the right answer. So this is only by using the formula only we can calculate. Okay. So already theory nalli tumba problem solve madidvi itar problems anda. Okay. Move on to next problem. The image 1 2 3 1 comma 2 comma 3 with respect to the plane minus 7 by 3 comma minus 4 by 3 comma minus 1 by 3, then which of the following points lie on the plane? So here, just here, this is the point P of 1 comma 2 comma 3, and this is the plane. This is the plane. Okay, image 1 comma 2 comma 3 with respect to the plane is minus 7 by 3 comma minus 4 by 3 comma minus 1 by 3. So this is the image of this point P. Q is the image of the point P. So the image Q, the ordered pairs of Q are minus 7 by 3 comma minus 4 by 3 comma minus 1 by 3. Now so this with respect to this plane. Okay, so this is the midpoint. So R is the midpoint of these two planes. Okay, and this PR which is perpendicular to this plane. PR ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ perpendicular to this plane ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so now our aim is to find equation of the plane. Now our aim is to find equation of the plane. After that, which of the following, which of these four options satisfies equation of the plane, we have to check. So first we have to find equation of the plane by using this data, and then we have to prove, so which of the following these options will satisfy equation of the plane. So first, so just here, this PR which is perpendicular to the plane of the PR is perpendicular to the plane ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ PQ. ಸೊ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಟು ದ ಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಟು ದ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ R. Direction ratios normal to the plane R. So those are one that is this minus this, this minus this, this minus this, that is 1 minus of minus, that is 1 plus 7 by 3 comma next one is 2 minus into minus plus 4 by 3 comma next minus 1, 3 minus 3 minus of minus 1 plus 3 plus 1 by 3 minus into minus plus. So now delay. So this is normal to this plane. So this is normal to this PQ is which is normal to the plane P. So call this as plane P. So this PQ is normal to the plane P. So now direction ratios of this normal are this minus this minus this, comma this minus this, that is this one. So this is implies that this is equal to 10 by 3 comma 10 by 3 comma 10 by 3. So that is all are same means 1 comma 1 comma 1. So therefore direction ratios of normal to the plane are 1 comma 1 comma 1. So these are the direction ratios normal to the plane. Now, so this is R is the midpoint of PQ. R is the midpoint of PQ. Then we can calculate the coordinates of R by using midpoint formula. Then R is equal to, so that is 1 minus 7 by 3 by 2 comma 2 minus 4 by 3 whole divided by 2 comma 3 minus 1 by 3 whole divided by 2. So midpoint formula x1 plus y1, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, z1 plus z2 by 2. So this is equal to 7 minus 3 is there. 7 minus 3 is nothing but 3. 7 minus 1 minus 7 by 3 is there. So therefore this can be done as 3 minus 7 by 3 whole divided by 2 comma. So here 3 to the 6 minus 4 divided by 3 whole divided by 2 comma. So here 3 3 is on 9, 9 minus 1 divided by 3 whole divided by 2. So therefore this is equal to 7 minus 3 is minus 4, 2 ones are minus 2, that is this is becomes minus 2 by 3 comma. So here 2 cancels, 1 by 3 comma, here 8, 2 ones are 4 by 3. So here minus 2 by 3 comma, 1 by 3 comma, 4 by 3. Is now equation of a plane. Equation of a plane is equal to, so now that we know that equation of a plane passing through the point x1, y1, z1, equation of a plane passing through the point x1, y1, z1 and perpendicular to the vector r, so perpendicular to the direction ratios a comma b comma c is given by ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 is equal to d is equal to some d in a formula is equal to 0 or plus d is equal to 0 is. So by using that one ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 is equal to 0. Okay, by using this we have, so already we have the direction ratios normal to the plane are 1 comma 1 comma 1. So and then passing through the points, so r is midpoint. So this point r lies on this plane p may lie agtide, therefore this plane passing through the point r and normal to the perpendicular and normal to direction ratios 1 comma 1 comma 1. Now equation of the plane is 1 into minus 2 by 3 into x, okay, plus 1 into 1 by 3 into y plus 4 by 3 into 1 into 4 by 3 into z is equal to 0. So this is implies that equation of the plane is not a formula. The formula is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. So this is the formula. Equation of a plane passes through the point x1, y1, z1 with respect to the direction and perpendicular to the normals a comma b comma c is given by, this is the formula. Okay, now 1 into x minus x1 is minus 2, minus into minus, this becomes plus 2 by 3 plus b is 1, y minus y1 is 1 by 3 plus c into c is 1, z minus z1 is 4 by 3 is equal to 0. So this is implies that x plus 2 by 3 plus y minus 1 by 3 plus z minus 4 by 3 is equal to 0, or this is implies that x plus y plus z is equal to 4 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3. So this is implies that x plus y plus z is equal to 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 by 3 is 1. So now just observe the options, which of the following option satisfies this one? Minus x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 1, z is equal to minus 1 ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ minus 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. therefore this option is wrong. 3 minus 1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ minus 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, this also wrong. 2 minus 1 1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ this also minus 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, this option also wrong. ಇದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 cancel, that is equal to 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. therefore this point also 1 comma 1 comma minus 1 also lies on this plane. so simplify ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? so this is the equation of a plane. equation of a plane, ಈ plane ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಲೈ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ then that point must and should satisfy this equation. so here this point doesn't satisfy this equation, this also not satisfies this equation, this also not satisfies this equation. so only this point satisfies this equation, therefore the point 1 comma 1 comma minus 1 so lies on this plane. that's all. okay, move on to next problem. if planes x plus 4y minus 2z is equal to 1, x plus 7y minus 5z is equal to beta, x plus 5y plus alpha z is equal to 5 intersects in a plane r cross r space alli, then the value of alpha plus beta is equal to how much they are asking. okay, so now our aim is to find the value of alpha beta. so here equation planes are x plus 4y minus 2z is equal to 1, and then x plus 7y minus 5z is equal to beta. another one, x plus 5y plus alpha z is equal to 5. so these are the planes. so these planes are intersecting each other anta ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. so if the three planes are intersects, then determinant of coefficients of x y z is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. first delta is equal to, that is determinant of 1 4 minus 2, 1 7 minus 5, and then 1 5 alpha, which is equal to 0. just simplify this. This is implies that 1 into 7 alpha minus into minus plus 25, okay, minus 4 into alpha plus 5 minus 2 into 5 minus 7, so is equal to 0. so this is implies that 7 alpha plus 25 minus 4 alpha minus 20 minus 5 minus 2 is minus 2, minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4 is equal to 0. this is implies that 7 alpha minus 4 alpha is 3 alpha, 25 minus 20 so is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, so that is plus 9 is equal to 0. transfer this right hand side, it becomes minus 9, then alpha is equal to minus 9. this is the value of alpha. so next time find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ beta value find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಹೌದಾ. so next delta 1 is nothing but you have to replace 1 1 1 by 1 beta 5, or finally we can find delta 3. so because easy, so to find delta 3 is easy because 1 1 1 illu 1 1 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. so this one is replaced by 1 beta 5 ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ delta 3 find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, that is equal to determinant of, add on these two columns as it is 4 7 5. so then third column is replaced by 1 beta 5. so this is also equal to 0 because your three planes are intersecting each other. so this is implies that 1 into 7 5s are 35 minus 5 beta minus 4 into 5 1s are 5 minus beta plus 1 into 5 1s are 5 minus 7 1s are so 7 is equal to 0. so this is implies that 35 minus 5 beta minus 20 minus into minus plus 4 beta, 5 minus 7 is minus 2, minus 2 into plus 1 is minus 2, which is equal to 0. this is implies that minus 5 beta plus 4 beta is minus beta. okay, 35 minus 20, 35 minus 20 is minus 15, minus 15, sorry, 35 minus 20 is plus 15, plus 15 minus 2 is plus 13, or is equal to minus 13. minus minus cancel, then the value of beta is 13. now alpha plus beta, consider alpha plus beta. alpha is minus 3, alpha is minus 3 plus beta is plus 13. so minus 3 plus 13 is 10, therefore the value of alpha plus beta is plus 10. so this is the way to find the value of alpha beta, and then to find the value of alpha plus beta. So if three planes are intersecting in the space, so then delta value is 0, delta 1 value is 0, delta 2 value is 0, delta 3 value also 0. So because those are intersecting in the plane. Okay, move on to next problem. Problem number 6. The problem is, if points A, B, A of 240, B of 318, C of 31 minus 3, D of 7 minus 3, 4 are 4 points, then the projection of line segment AB on the line CD is how much they are asking. The projection of AB on CD is given by projection of AB on CD is equal to vector AB dot vector CD divided by magnitude of CD. This is the formula. So we know the formula of projection of one vector on another vector, that is vector AB, projection of AB on CD is AB dot CD divided by magnitude of CD. So that is equal to AB is nothing but 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1, and that is I cap, plus next 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 3 j cap. Next 8 minus 0 plus 8 k cap into dot product of CD. So D minus C, so that is 7 minus 3, 4 I cap. Next minus 3 minus 1, minus 4 j cap, 4 plus 3 plus 7 k cap. 7 k cap divided by magnitude of CD is square root of 16 plus 49. So this is equal to, so the dot product of this is sum of product of corresponding ijk coefficients, that is 4 ones are 4, minus into minus plus, 4 3s are 12, plus into plus plus, 8 7s are 56 divided by square root of 16 plus 16, 32, 32 plus 49 is 81. So this is equal to 50 plus 6, 60 plus 12 is 72 divided by square root of 81 is 9. So 9 ones are 9, 8s are 72. So therefore the projection of AB on CD is 8. For this one, 8 is the answer. This is integer type question. ITQ, integer type question. So for this the answer is 8. So very easy question, simple question. So theory question use ಮಾಡಿದ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, theory problem. Okay, next problem. Let the distance between plane passing through the lines x plus 1 by 2 is equal to y minus 6 by 3 is equal to z plus 1 by 8 is equal to s, and x plus 3 is equal to 2, y plus 2 is equal to 1, z minus 1 is equal to z minus 1 divided by lambda is equal to t, and the plane 23x minus 10y minus 2z plus 48 is equal to 0. 48 is equal to 0 is k divided by square root of 633. Then what is the value of k? Then agade k na value enagutte anta find out madake helidare. So just here, this is one plane. Okay, so this is one plane, call this one as P1, and this is another plane P2. This is another plane P2. So we know the equation of a plane P2. Equation of a plane P2 is 23x minus 10y minus 2z plus 48 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of a plane P2. So we don't have any equation for plane P1. So the plane P1 is, we don't have any equation for plane P1, but so here two lines are there. So those two lines are x plus 1 divided by, call this as line L1 and call this as line L2. X plus 1 by 2 is equal to y minus 6 by 3 is equal to z plus 1 divided by 8 is equal to x, and x plus 3 divided by 2, y plus 2 divided by 1, and z minus 1 divided by lambda is equal to t. Okay, so these are the two lines. So these two lines are not perpendicular. Direct agabadu, these two lines are not perpendicular because their direction ratios not proportional to each other, because corresponding direction ratios are not proportional to each other. Nodri 2 by 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by 3, 1 by 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2, 1 is not equal to 1 by 3. So therefore direction ratios are not proportional to each other. So then those lines are skew symmetric lines. Somewhere those two lines are intersect each other. So now our aim is to find the distance between these two planes. So our aim is to find distance between these two planes. So first, so given that x plus 1 by 2 is equal to y minus 6 by 3 is equal to z plus 1 divided by 8 is equal to s. So then x plus 1 is equal to 2s comma y minus 6 is equal to, or like this we can write on cross multiplication also. So these two lines are lies on the plane. So that means x plus 1 by 2 ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ x is equal to 2s minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2s minus 1 ಕಾಮ y is equal to ಏನಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ 3s plus 6 3s plus 6 ಕಾಮ z is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 8s minus 1 is equal to ಇಲ್ಲಿ x is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3t minus 2t minus 3 ಕಾಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ t minus 2 ಕಾಮ z ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ lambda t plus 1. So that means first just we have to find the value of lambda. ಆ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಳ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ comparing these two so these points we get 2s minus 1 is equal to 2t minus 3. So then 2s minus 1 is equal to 2t minus 3 and also 3s plus 6 is equal to t minus 2. So this is implies that 2s minus 2t is equal to, just transfer this minus 1 to right hand side, it becomes plus 1 minus 3 plus 1 is 2 minus 2. Okay, so that is implies that s minus t is equal to minus 1. Here 3s minus, just transfer this to left hand side, it becomes minus t is equal to, just transfer this 6 to right hand side, it becomes minus 6. Minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8. Sir, is this visible? This one K visible? Thank you. Now, so now just simplify these two. On simplifying these two, we have 3s minus t is equal to minus 8. S minus t is equal to minus 1. So just interchanging signs. This will get cancels. 3s minus s is 2s. 8 minus 1 is equal to 8 plus 1. So this is minus 7. Then s is equal to minus 7 by 2. The value of s is minus 7 by 2. No, somewhere went wrong. 2s minus 1, 3s minus, just wait. Where it is 6? Yak 6 ಬಂತಿಲ್ಲಿ 3s y minus 6. So this is not 6, this is 3. Okay, then it will becomes 3. Okay, then we transfer 3 to that side, we have this is minus 5 and this also minus 5. Then minus 5 plus 1 is 4, minus 4. Then the value of s is minus 2. The value of s is minus 2. Similarly, just transfer, substitute s is equal to minus 2. Then this becomes minus 2 minus t is equal to minus 1. So this is implies that minus t is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 2, or t minus t is equal to 1, or this is implies that t is equal to minus 1. So let's substitute t is equal to minus 1. So then we have 8s minus 1 is equal to lambda t plus 1. 8s minus 1 is equal to lambda t plus 1. So this is implies that 8 into s is nothing but minus 2 minus 1 is equal to lambda is, we don't know the value of lambda, lambda into t is minus 1, then this will becomes minus lambda plus 1. So this is implies that minus 16 minus 1 minus 16 minus 1 is equal to minus lambda plus 1. So this is implies that minus lambda is equal to, just transfer this to right hand side, it becomes minus 1, minus 18 minus 16 minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 18. So then the value of lambda is plus 18. Value of lambda is plus 18. So that means, so these two lines are skew symmetric lines. So So these two lines are skew symmetric lines. So this line passes through the point minus 1 comma 3 comma 1, and this line passes through the point minus 3 comma minus 2 comma 1. So now perpendicular distance, those two lines are skew symmetric. So yadra one line in the consider perpendicular distance. We know the formula. So just I will rub this one just here. We know the formula for distance from point P of x1 comma y1 comma z1 to the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0 is d is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d divided by square root of a square plus b square plus c square. So this is the formula to find the perpendicular distance from point to the plane. So now d is equal to, so with respect to this one I am taking, with respect to this one, the point is, here the point is minus 3 comma minus 2 comma 1, and the plane is 23x minus 10y minus 2z plus 48 is equal to 0. Okay. So x1 is minus 3, y1 is minus 2, z1 is 1, a is 23, b is minus 10, and c is minus 2, and d value is 48. So that is equal to 23 into minus 3, minus 3 into 23, next plus minus 10 into minus 2, next plus c is 1, here 1 into minus 2 plus 48, d is 48 whole divided by square root of, so 23 square is 529, 10 minus 10 whole square is 100 plus minus 2 whole square is 4. So that is equal to, then d is equal to 23 minus 3, minus 3 into 23, 23 3 is minus 69, minus 69, minus into minus plus, 2 10s are 20, plus into minus minus to 48 divided by square root of 633. Okay, so that is equal to 20 plus 48 is 68. Okay, 68 minus 69 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 2 is minus 3. That is minus 3 divided by square root of 633. So that is equal to, so magnitude of 3 is plus 3, modulus of minus 3 is plus 3, 3 divided by square root of 633, which is equal to k divided by square root of 633. Therefore the value of k, so therefore just compare these two, we get the value of k as 3. Therefore k is equal to 3. The value of k is 3. Option C is the right answer. Okay. Next problem. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದಲ್ವ ಇದು? ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಏನು ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. D is equal to ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 divided cz1 plus d divided by square root of a square plus b square plus c square. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಟಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದಲೇ ಬರಿಬೋದು, ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೋಬೋದು. ಸೊ minus 3, minus 2, 1 ತಗೋಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದು, minus 1, 3, minus 1 ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಾವು ತಗೋಬೋದು. ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. If the line x minus 1 by 2, y plus 1 by 3, z minus 2 by 4 meets the plane x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 15 at the point P, then the distance of P from the origin is how much? So that means we have to find the coordinates of P. This here, this is the plane, this is the plane. Equation of this plane is x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 15. This is the equation of this plane. So the line x minus y by 1 by 2 and y plus 1 by 3 is equal to z minus 2 by 4. So this is the line, equation of line L. So this line meets the plane at some point P. At some point P. at some point P. Okay, so now our aim is to find a distance of this point from the origin of 0 comma 0 comma 0. So just if we know the coordinates of P, then by using distance formula we can calculate the distance of point P from origin. So our aim is to find the coordinates of a point P. For that, oh, 8th question is missing. Okay, I will explain later. Okay, so for that, x minus, let us take x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y plus 1 by 3 is equal to z minus 2 by 4 is equal to some lambda. So this is implies that x is equal to 2 lambda plus 1 agate, then y is equal to 3 lambda minus 1 and z is equal to 4 lambda plus 2. The value of z is 4 lambda plus 2. So then this point x comma y comma z, that point lies on this plane of the x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 15. Then so this becomes, so call this as equation 1. So x comma y comma z lies on that plane, equation 1. Then equation 1 becomes x andre 2 lambda plus 1 comma plus 2 into y ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ there is 6 lambda minus 2 plus 3 into z ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ that is 4 3s are 12 lambda plus 3 2s are 6 is equal to 15. So this is implies that 2 lambda 6 lambda 12 lambda 6 plus 2 8 8 plus 12 20 lambda. Next 6 minus 2 plus 1, 6 minus 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. Then 20 lambda is equal to 10. Therefore the value of lambda is minus 1 by 2. Therefore the value of lambda is minus 1 by 2. Then x is equal to 2 into minus 2 plus 1. So that is equal to 2 to cancel, minus 1 plus 1. So that is the value of x is 0. Yes, the value of x is plus 1 by lambda. This is not minus 1 by lambda, this is plus 1 by 2. Lambda is plus 1 by 2. 2 to cancel, 1 plus 1 is 2. Similarly, the value of y is 3 into 1 by 2 minus 1. So that is equal to 3 into minus, the value of y is 3 into 1 by 2 minus 1. So then 3 2s 2, 3 minus 1, that is 1 by 2, and the value of z is, so this is p of x comma y comma z. Okay, the value of z is estagutte z is alva 1 by 2, 4 into 1 by 2 plus 2. So that is 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 2 plus 4. Therefore x comma y comma z, p is equal to x comma y comma z is equal to 2 comma 1 by 2 comma 4. Now distance of P from origin is equal to square root of 2 minus 0 whole square is 4, 2 square that is 4, plus 1 by 2 minus 0 is 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 4, plus 4 minus 0 whole square is 4 square, that is 16. So this is equal to square root of 4 is LCM, 16 plus 1 plus 16 16s are 256. Sorry, 16 4s are 64. So that is equal to 64 plus 16 is 80, 80 plus 1 is 9, 81. So that is square root of 81 by 4. So that is equal to square root of 81 is 9, square root of 4 is 2. So therefore option A is the right answer. So ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ P of x comma y comma z ತಗೋಬೇಕು. So this is the point. So this lies on the plane. So that is the point of intersection of line and plane. So then by using line we have to find the express x in terms of lambda and y in terms of lambda and z also in terms of lambda. So as we know that x y z lies on the plane, x plus 2y plus 4 3z is equal to 15. Just replace x y z by using these lambda values, then we get the value of lambda. So and substitute this lambda value in this equation, we get point of intersection of line and plane. So then a point of intersection that is the P. So by using distance formula, origin on the 0 comma 0 comma 0. So by using distance formula, we can calculate the distance of a point P from the origin. Okay. Next, problem number 8. ಆಗಲೇ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ವ ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 8. So that is the vector equation of a plane through the line of intersection of the planes x plus y plus z is equal to 1 and 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 5, which is perpendicular to the plane x minus y plus z is equal to 0. He is which one ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ equation of a plane passes through point of intersection of p1 and p2 is given by p1 plus lambda p2 is equal to 0. Equation of a plane passes through point of intersection of these two planes p1 and p2 is given by p1 plus lambda p2 is equal to 0. So this is, call this one as p1 and call this as p2. Then equation of a plane is, equation of plane passes through point of intersection of p1 and p2 is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ x plus, so this is implies that x plus y plus z minus 1 plus lambda into 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 is equal to 0. So this is implies that x ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನು ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 plus 2 lambda ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ y ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಾ 1 plus 3 lambda ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ if we take z as common remaining is 1 plus 4 lambda. If we take minus as common remaining is 1 plus 5 lambda is equal to 0. So this is the equation of a plane, required equation of a plane. Okay, so here this plane contains an unknown value lambda, so that means we have to find this unknown value. So given that also equation 1 is perpendicular to the plane. So equation 1 means this plane which is perpendicular to the plane x minus y plus z is equal to 0. So that means if planes are perpendicular, if two planes are perpendicular, then sum of product of their corresponding direction ratios is equal to 0. So that means 1 into 1 plus lambda, that is 1 plus 2 lambda, okay, minus 1 into 1 plus 3 lambda, that is plus into minus 1 plus 3 lambda, 1 into this one is 1 plus 4 lambda is equal to 0, because these two planes are perpendicular. This is implies that 1 plus 2 lambda minus 1 minus 3 lambda plus 1 plus 4 lambda is equal to 0. Plus 1 minus 1 cancels. 2 lambda plus 4 lambda is 6 lambda. 6 lambda minus 3 lambda is 3 lambda is equal to, just transfer this one to minus, right hand side it becomes minus 1. Then lambda is equal to minus 1 by 3. Then lambda is equal to minus 1 by 3. Now equation 1 becomes x into 1 plus 2 into minus 1 by 3 plus y into 1 plus 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus z into 1 plus 4 into minus 1 by 3, okay, minus 1 plus 5 into minus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. So this is implies that 3 2s are 3 minus 2, 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 3 1s are 3, 3 is LCM, 3 minus 2 is 1, so ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ x by 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, x by 3. So these two get cancels, 0, y into 0 plus y into plus 3 cancel, 1 minus 1 is 0, y into 0 plus z into, here also 3 1s are 3, 3 minus 4 is minus 1, so that is minus z by 3 minus 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, okay, 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 3 minus 3 1s are 3, 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, minus 5, 3 minus 5 is minus 2 by 3, okay, minus into minus ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ minus ಇರೋದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, is equal to 0. So this is implies that 3 3 eliminate ಆಯಿತು, remaining is x minus z plus 2 is equal to 0, or this can be written as r dot I cap minus k cap. X na coefficient ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is I, z means nothing but k, I cap minus k cap plus 2 is equal to 0. So vector representation of this line is r dot I cap minus k cap plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is in option B, therefore option B is the right answer. Nodri, x minus z, idu x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ r ಅಂದ್ರೆ x into 1 is x, y into 0 0 ಬರಲ್ಲ ಹೋಯ್ತು, z into minus 1 is minus z plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the answer. Okay, next move on to next problem. Problem number 10. Let P be the plane which contains the line of intersection of the planes x plus y plus z is equal to minus 6, x plus y plus z minus 6 is equal to 0, and 2x plus 3y plus z plus 5 is equal to 0, and which is perpendicular to xy plane. So perpendicular to not really. So perpendicular to xy plane, then equation of plane is z is equal to 0. Perpendicular to xy plane andre then equation of the plane is z is equal to 0. Suppose perpendicular to xz plane idre, then equation of the plane is y is equal to 0. Perpendicular to yz plane idre, then equation of the plane is x is equal to 0. We know that. So in this problem we are going to use this conditions, use those conditions. Okay. So here also P be the plane which contains point of intersection of the planes x plus y plus z minus 6 is equal to 0, and 2x plus 3y plus z plus 5 is equal to 0. That means a plane passes through point of intersection of these two planes. Then equation of the plane is so that is x plus y plus z minus 6 plus lambda into, and another one, that is 2x plus 3y plus z plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. So now this can be written as x into 1 plus 2 lambda plus y into 1 plus 3 lambda plus z into 1 plus lambda plus 5 lambda minus 6 is equal to 0. Call this as equation 1. Okay. Now, so this plane which is perpendicular to xy plane, equation 1 is perpendicular to xy plane. Equation 1 is perpendicular to xy plane. Then this is implies that z is equal to 0. Z is equal to 0 ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಇದು 0 ಬೇಕು ಹೌದಾ? Therefore that is implies that 1 plus lambda is equal to 0. Then this is implies that lambda is equal to minus 1. So lambda is equal to minus 1 ಆದರೆ equation 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Equation 1 becomes x into 1 plus 2 into minus 1. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. 1 minus 2 is minus x. Next plus 1 into minus 3 minus 2, that is minus 2y. Okay. So this is 0. Z into plus z into 0, and it becomes plus 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. So that is minus 11 is equal to 0. Or this can be written as x plus 2y plus 11 is equal to 0. Now, so distance alva kelidadaru, the distance of point P, so that is 0, 0, 256. Distance of from this point to the plane x plus 2y plus 11 is equal to 0. So that is D is equal to, formula is ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d divided by square root of a square plus b square plus c square. This is the formula. Then d is equal to a into x1. x1 is 0, a is 1, 1 into 0 0, plus b into b is 2, y1 is 0, 0 into 2 is 0, plus c into z1. z1 is 0, 0 into 256 is 0, plus d is 11 divided by a square. 1 square is 1, square root of 1 plus b square 4, square root of 4, plus c square is 0. So that is equal to 11 divided by root 5. 11 divided by root 5. 11 divided by root 5. That is in option C. Therefore, option C is the right answer. Next problem. Problem number 11. So that is if the length of the perpendicular from the point beta comma 0 comma beta, where beta not equal to 0, to the line x by 1 is equal to y minus 1 by 0 is equal to z plus 1 divided by, this is minus 1, okay, is a square root of 3 by 2, then the value of beta is how much they are asking. So just consider this as point P. So the coordinates of point P are beta comma 0 comma beta, okay. So and this is the line L, okay. So then this line passes through the point lambda comma 1 comma minus lambda minus 1. So let us take that as x comma y comma z, and also passes through the point 0 comma 1 comma minus 1. passes through the point 0 comma minus 1 comma 1. Sorry, there are the direction ratios. Direction ratios of this one are 1 comma 0 comma minus 1. 1 comma 0 comma minus 1 and passes through 0 comma minus 1 comma 0 comma 1 comma minus 1. Okay. So now let us take x by 1 comma point of intersection. A line matte ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಲೈನ್ನ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಹೋದ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ 1 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು y ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಬೈ 0 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು z ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಬೈ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಕಾಮ y ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಇಂಟು 1 ಇಸ್ y ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ y ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಕಾಮ z ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಕಾಮ ಮೈನಸ್ 1. ದೆನ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ lambda comma 1 comma minus lambda minus 1 minus lambda minus 1. Okay, point of intersection ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗಿವನ್ ದಟ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ದ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ pm is equal to ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 3/2. ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ pm is ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 3/2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So then here the coordinates of m, so that means this here these two lines pm and the line l, which is these are perpendicular. pm is perpendicular to line l. pm is perpendicular to line l. So the direction ratios of line l are, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, direction ratios of line l are ಏನಿದೆ 1 comma 0 comma minus 1 and direction ratios of pm are ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, direction ratios of pm are beta minus lambda comma 0 minus 1 comma beta minus lambda of minus 1, that is minus into minus plus lambda plus 1. So these two are perpendicular, means then their product is equal to 0. That is implies that sum of product is equal to 0. That is beta minus lambda plus 1 into 0 minus beta minus lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. So then plus beta minus beta cancels. So this is implies that minus 2 lambda is equal to 1. Then lambda is equal to minus 1/2. So therefore the coordinates of m are ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, lambda comma 1 comma minus lambda minus 1 ಇದೆ ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ ದಟ್ lambda is nothing but minus 1/2 comma 1 comma minus into minus plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, plus 1/2 minus 1/2 is minus 1/2. Okay, plus 1/2 minus 1/2 is minus 1/2. Now pm is equal to ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, square root of 3/2 ಹೌದಾ. pm is equal to square root of 3/2. So this is implies that pm is nothing but square root of distance formula ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದು ಇದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ minus 1/2 comma 1 comma minus 1/2 ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ beta minus of minus 1/2 is plus 1/2. beta plus 1/2 whole square plus 1 square plus again beta plus 1/2 whole square is equal to square root of 3/2 ಆಯಿತು. square root cancels. So this is implies that 2 into beta plus 1/2 whole square is equal to 3/2 minus 1. ಈ 1 ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿನಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ 2 into beta square plus 1/2 into ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, 1/2 into 2 into beta plus 1/2 whole square is 1/4. 1/2 whole square is 1/4 is equal to 3/2 minus 1 is 1/2. ಸೊ ಬೀಟಾ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಬೀಟಾ ಓಕೆ, ಬೀಟಾ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬೀಟಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1/4 is equal to 1/4. 1/4 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ಸ್. ಕಾಮನ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ರಿ ಬೀಟಾ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ beta plus 1 is equal to 0. Then this is implies that beta is equal to 0 or beta is equal to minus 1. Therefore, so already given that beta not equal to 0. Therefore, the value of beta is minus 1. Option B is the right answer. Simple repon. First two, PM is perpendicular to L. In diagram PM is perpendicular to L. So then sum of product of their direction ratios is equal to 0. By using that we can calculate the value of lambda. Okay, so first lambda ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಂದರೆ, so this is m is the point of intersection of line P and line L. So line L ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದೆನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ Pm is equal to √3/2. Pm is nothing but distance formula. Then simplification, we get beta is equal to 0 or beta is equal to -1. We can't consider beta is equal to 0 because already given that beta not equal to 0. Okay, so hangagi beta is equal to 0 consider ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು obviously then the value of beta is -1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, next problem number 12. If P of 0, -1, -3 is image of the point P, sorry, this is Q of 0, -1, -3 is image of the point P in the plane 3x - y plus 4z is equal to 2, and R is the point 3, -1, -2, then the area of the triangle PQR in square units is how much they are asking. Okay, so this is the plane, consider this is the plane. So in this plane some R, point R is there, so that is the coordinates of R are -3, so this is point R, coordinates of R are 3, -1, -2, and this is P and this is Q, this is Q. Okay, so the point coordinates of Q are 0, -1, -3. So here P is the reflection or image of P with respect to this plane, P1. Okay, so just I am drawn a perpendicular RM which is perpendicular to P. Draw RM which is perpendicular to PQ. RM perpendicular to PQ. Okay, so next ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು area of this one, area of RMQ. Now area of RMQ is equal to area of triangle ಯಾವುದು RPQ. area of triangle RMQ is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, area of triangle RPQ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So therefore and also area of those two areas are equal, then area of triangle PQR is equal to 2 into area of triangle ಯಾವ ತಗೊಂಡ RMQ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ area of triangle RMQ. ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ನ ಏರಿಯಾ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ area of the triangle PQR. So that is equal to ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ area of triangle RMQ is nothing but 2 into half into base into height. Base is QM into height is RM, half into QM into RM. So this is implies that now our aim is to find QM and RM. So this here, so this is which is the vector which is perpendicular to the plane 3x - y plus 4z is equal to 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೌದಾ. So this vector QM which is perpendicular to the vector or distance from point Q to the plane 3x - y plus 4z is equal to 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, then QM is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, that is modulus of A is 0, x1 is 0, y1 is -1, z1 is -3, and the value of A is 3, B is -1, C is 4 and D is -2. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, A into x1 that is 3 into 0, next plus -1 into B is -1 and the value of y1 is also -1 plus 4 into so C is 4 and Z is -3 -2 whole divided by A square, that is square root of 3 square is 9 plus -1 whole square is 1 plus 4 square is 16. So then this is equal to my 3 0 plus 2 1 1s are 1 minus 4 3s are 12 minus 2 divided by square root of 9 plus 1 10 plus 16 26. So that is equal to minus 2 minus 12 minus 2 minus 14 plus 1, that is 13 divided by square root of 26 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This can be written as 13 divided by root 2 into root 13 ಬರಿಬೋದಾ 26 ನ, that is equal to square root of 13 divided by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, square root of 13 by 2. So QM is equal to square root of 13 by 2. Now, so this triangle is, so perpendicular ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀವಲ್ಲ, so this triangle is right angle triangle. ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಿನ್ನ RM ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, QM ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, RM ಬೇಕು. So RM is nothing but this one. RM is equal to square root of which one square? RQ square minus QM whole square. So that is equal to square root of RQ square, and by using distance formula 0 minus 3 whole square is 9. Okay, plus square root of, okay, plus next minus 1 plus 1, so that is 0 square is 0. Next minus 3 minus into minus plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, minus 3 plus 2 whole square is 1 plus 1, okay, minus QM whole square. QM is square root of 13 by 2 whole square ಅಂದರೆ just 13 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is equal to square root of, yes, square ಇದೆ, square it cancels, 10 minus 13 by 2, so that is equal to square root of 20 minus 13, that is 7 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now required area is equal to 2 into ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಫ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೌದಾ, 2 into half into QM is square root of 13 by 2 into RM is square root of 7 by 2. Okay, here 2 cancels, 13 into 7, 13 7 is 91, that is square root of 91. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So therefore this area of the triangle PQR is square root of 91 divided by 2, square root of 91 by 2. That is in option C. Option C is the right answer. Okay, next problem. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದರ ಇವು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಇದರ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೆಮ್, and also by using distance point to the plane, distance from point to the plane, we can calculate the value of QM. So this is base. Once we know hypotenuse side and base, we can calculate this by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ನಾನು ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಟು PQ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ PR ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಸಿಂಪಲಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಏರಿಯಾ, ಇಮೇಜ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹಿತ ಸೇಮ್ ಏರಿಯಾನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ದ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಈಸ್ ಡ್ರಾನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ x minus 1 by 2 y is equal to y plus 1 by minus 1 is equal to z by 1 to the plane x plus y plus z is equal to 3, such that the foot of the perpendicular to Q also lie on the plane x minus y plus z is equal to 3. In Q ಅನ್ನೋ ಪಾಯಿಂಟು ಈ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ಗೆ ಫೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಲೈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಫೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ Q is foot of the perpendicular to the plane, consider P1, and also that point lies on the plane P2. So Q is acts as foot of the perpendicular for P1, and also that point lies on P2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Then which of the following are the coordinates of Q ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 4 minus 0 minus 1, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3 ಬಂತು. 3 is equal to 3 ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ನೋಡೋಣ 2, ಸೊ ಇದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. 2 minus 0 plus 1 is equal to 3, 3 is equal to 3 ಇದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದರೆ -1 plus 0 plus 4 is equal to 3, ಸೊ ಇದು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದರೆ ಇದು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬೇಡ ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಇವು ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್. ಯಾವ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ನ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ 3 ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತು ವಿತೌಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ 4 points are satisfies that equation of the plane, then we go for calculation. Okay, so let's find x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y plus 1 by minus 1 is equal to z by 1 is equal to lambda. Okay, then ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ x value ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, x is equal to 2 lambda plus 1, and y is equal to minus lambda plus 1 and z is equal to lambda. Then the value of z is equal to lambda. Therefore, p, the coordinates of p are 2 lambda plus 1 comma minus lambda plus 1 comma lambda. So these are the coordinates of point P. So now, so just remember this formula. This formula is very important one. So if the foot of the perpendicular from the point x1 comma y1 comma z1, foot of the perpendicular from the point x1 comma y1 comma z1 to the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0 is xyz is x comma y comma z by using, so this x comma y comma z can be calculated by using the formula x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d divided by a square plus b square plus c square. So this formula is very important formula. So as same as image of a point with respect to the plane. Okay, so ಅದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವು so here the points 2 lambda, so coordinates of the point P are 2 lambda plus 1 comma minus lambda plus 1 comma lambda. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, q is the foot of the perpendicular from the point P ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, so then the coordinates of q are ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ x minus, this one is x1 y1 z1 to the point, ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, plane x plus y plus z is equal to 3 ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Therefore the value of a is 1, b is 1, c is 1 and d is minus 3. Then x minus 2 lambda plus 1 divided by 1 is equal to y minus of minus lambda plus 1 divided by 1 is equal to z minus lambda divided by 1 is equal to, so ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, this is equal to minus of a into x1, a is 1 2 lambda plus 1 plus b into y1, b is 1, y1 is minus lambda plus 1 and c into z plus lambda minus 3 whole divided by 1 square is 1 plus 1 plus 1, a square plus b square plus 1 square plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, so that is 1 plus 1 plus 1. So this is implies that x minus 2 lambda minus 1 by 1 is equal to y plus lambda minus 1 by 1 is equal to z minus lambda by 1 is equal to, so here minus lambda plus lambda cancel, then minus 2 lambda 1 plus 1 2 minus 3 is minus 1, minus into minus plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So minus 2 lambda plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. So then equate ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. So this is implies that x minus 2 lambda minus 1 by 1 is equal to minus 2 lambda plus 1 by 3 or y plus lambda minus 1 by 1 is equal to minus 2 lambda plus 1 by 3 or z minus lambda by 1 is equal to minus 2 lambda plus 1 by 3. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಆನ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಟಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ x is equal to minus 2 lambda plus 1 divided by 3 minus ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 lambda plus 1, then y is equal to minus 2 lambda plus 1 by 3 ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ minus lambda plus 1 and z is equal to minus 2 lambda plus 1 by 3 minus plus lambda. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ x is equal to minus 2 lambda plus 6 lambda minus non step ಬರಬೇಕು, minus 2 lambda plus 1 plus 6 lambda plus 3 divided by 3, y is equal to minus 2 lambda plus 1 minus 3 lambda plus 3 divided by 3 and z is equal to minus 2 lambda plus 1 plus 3 lambda divided by 3. So now x is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ minus 2 lambda plus 6 lambda, that is 4 lambda 4 lambda plus 3 plus 1 4 divided by 3 4 lambda something mistaken happens here. What is the mistaken? So what is the mistake here? 4 lambda plus 6 only we are getting. So that is x minus 2 lambda plus 1 correct ಇದೆ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ 6 lambda plus 3 correct. That is so and this is minus 5 and here plus 3 plus 1 different. 1 plus 1 2 minus 3. Just to verify that this is 2 lambda minus 3 na. Okay, wait, minus 2 into lambda. Okay, here we can get this as minus 2 lambda or this one as 2 lambda minus 3, like that we are getting. Just calculate 2 lambda minus 3, like that we are getting. So calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. This will becomes minus 3, this also becomes minus 3, this also becomes minus 3. So this is plus plus, this also plus, this is minus 3 and this is plus, this is minus 3. Calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ. Okay, so ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 6 lambda minus 2 lambda is 4 lambda minus then this will becomes plus 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay, so then y is equal to plus 3 minus 3 cancels, minus 5 lambda divided by 3 comma z is equal to, so here also 3 plus this is minus 2 minus only minus plus 3, like that we are minus 3 2 lambda like minus 3, like that we are getting. Okay, so like minus lambda minus 3 plus 3 lambda is lambda minus 3 divided by 3, lambda minus 3 divided by 3. ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟು it becomes lambda plus 3 divided by 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So x is therefore x is 4 lambda plus 6 by 3, y is minus 5 lambda by 3 and z is 4 lambda plus 3 divided by 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ therefore the points x y z is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ? ಸೊ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದು. therefore x comma y comma z is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? so that is 4 lambda plus 6 by 3 comma minus 5 lambda by 3 comma lambda plus 3 by 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ and also ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? so this lies on the plane ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, this plane ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? so then this point satisfies this equation, that is 4 lambda plus 6 by 3 minus into minus plus 5 lambda by 3 plus lambda plus 3 divided by 3 is equal to 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. so 3 cancels, so this is implies that 4 lambda plus 6 plus 5 lambda plus lambda plus 3 is equal to 0. so this is implies that 5 lambda plus 4 lambda is 9 lambda, 9 lambda plus 1 is 10 lambda is equal to 4 6 9 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 6 plus 3, so that is 9. so like lambda is equal to 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು. so then we are getting lambda is equal to 0. so ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ so I think this is minus something, ಇದೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. so finally we are getting lambda is equal to 0 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು lambda value ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. so finally we are getting lambda is equal to 0. so lambda is equal to 0 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ then the points coordinates of x y z are p of x comma y comma z is equal to 6 by 3 is nothing but 2 0, this is 0 comma, so this 1 is 3 by 3, so that is nothing but 1. so therefore 2 comma 0 comma 1, option B is the right answer. so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಫೈನಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ x, y, z as 2, 0, that is in option B. option B is the right answer. okay, next problem, last problem. ನೋಡ್ರಪ್ಪ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, 13th ಒನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಫುಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಗೆ x minus x1 is by a, y minus y1 by b is equal to c minus x minus z minus z1 by c is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d divided by a square plus b square plus c square. So now the problem is a plane passing through the points 0, minus 1, 10 and 0, 0, minus 1, 0, not it is 10, 0, minus 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1 and making an angle pi by 4 with plane x minus y minus z plus phi is equal to 0 also passes through the point. And so in mattond point mulka yadu mulka pass agudante anta kelidare. So here if ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0 is the required equation of the plane. So given that equation 1 passes through ಯಾವ point ಮೂಲಕ 0, minus 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0, minus 1, 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು 0, this will becomes minus 5 is equal to minus 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 1 minus b is equal to ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus d ಆಗುತ್ತೆ and also 0, 0 c is equal to d ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 0, 0 c is equal to minus c is equal to minus d and b is equal to d. B is equal to d and c is equal to minus d. ಅಥವಾ ಸಾರಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಹಿಂಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈಗ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿ is equal to d ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿ is equal to d. Then this equation passes through point 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, minus 1, 0 means this is 0, this is 0, this is minus y, minus b. Minus b is equal to d and 0, 0, 1 ಅಂದರೆ this is 0, this is 0, this is c. C is equal to d. So c minus b is equal to d and c is equal to d. Now equation 1 becomes another equation 1. This is implies that a into x minus in place of b we can write d minus dy plus dz is equal to d. Ax minus dy plus dz is equal to d. Call this as equation 2. So and also given that making an angle pi by 4 with the plane y minus z plus 5 is equal to 0, then cos pi by 4 is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos pi by 4 is equal to, so that is equal to d2 minus d1, that is d2 minus d1, d2 minus d divided by minus d minus b divided by square root of that is a square plus d square into square root of ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು 1 plus 1 ಓಕೆನಾ d minus d divided by square root of 1 plus 1. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ cos theta is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 into c2 divided by square root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into square root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. a1 a2 a3 a1 b1 c1 are the direction ratios of this plane, E plane equation 1 and a2 b2 c2 are the direction ratios of this plane. Okay na? So by using this one, so this is implies that cos pi by 4 is nothing but 1 by root 2 is equal to minus d is minus 2d divided by this is square root of a square plus 2d square into square root of 2. Root 2 cancels, so this is implies that 2d square root of a square plus 2d square is equal to 2d. Okay, so then squaring on both sides minus 2d, squaring on both sides, so then a square plus 2d square is equal to 4d square. So this is implies that a square is equal to 4d square minus 2d square is 2d square. Then a is equal to plus or minus root 2 into d. A is equal to plus or minus root 2 into d. Then equation 2 becomes ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ a is nothing but plus or minus root 2 into d minus d into x minus dy plus dz is equal to d, or this is implies that plus or minus root 2 into x minus y plus z is equal to 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ in here which one, just simplify root 2 into root 2 into minus root 2 is, if we take this one substitute equation 1 first, option 1 becomes ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ option 1 becomes so that is minus root 2x minus y plus z is equal to 1 ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್, minus root 2x minus y plus z is equal to 1 ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. option 1 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus root 2 into x is minus root 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ minus root 2 into minus root 2 minus of minus plus 1 plus z is 4 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ that is equal to 1 minus root 2. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 1 ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus root 2 into minus root 2 is plus 2 minus root 2 into minus root 2 is plus 2 minus 1 minus 4. This is also not satisfied. Next option D ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ option C ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ minus root 2 into root 2 is minus 2 minus 1 plus 4 minus root 2 into root 2 is minus 2 minus 1 plus that is 4. So that is equal to 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Therefore option C satisfy ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. option C ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. minus 3 minus 1 is minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 minus 3 plus 4 is 1. This is equal to 1. Then option C is the right answer. That point therefore that plane passes through the point root 2 comma 1 comma 4. That's all. Okay, so this finishes 3-dimensional geometry. Okay, all the best for your examination. Do well. So just follow whatever the timetable were given to you. ಸೊ ಏನು ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವೋ ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನೀವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ನ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.